Hello everyone, just wanted to share with you what my favorite day trading setup of all time is. So welcome everyone, my name is Brad Reed. I am a real life trader and I would like to encourage you to be good, and by good I mean get out of debt, achieve your financial dream, and give generously to your community. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in more videos like this, come over here to reallifetrading.com. Have faster internet than me, but we've got tons of online courses. Many of these are free. A lot of these are free. We do have a live trading, and I'm in the live trading room now, and we just came across this this setup that I absolutely love, so I wanted to record a video on it. So looking at VSLR here, and I will tell you I did not get into this trade because I just now saw it. Today is March 3rd of 2020, so if you want to do your own analysis, you can check it out. Let's see, Sandra says, no, I am not setting this up now, Sandra. I'm just doing a video on what I would have, could have done. If we look at a long time frame, this thing is bullish. If we look at a kind of more intermediate time frame, this thing is bullish. If we look at a shorter time frame, this thing is bullish. If we look at another time frame, this thing is bullish. We do see it has had a pullback here. And so if I'm bullish on so many different time frames, I'm looking for the opportunity to buy low and sell high, right? I'm still looking to go bullish. So let me zoom in on the last couple of days here. And I see this bearish trend line here marking those lows. And I noticed today that it gapped up above that trend line. Woohoo! So I'm thinking this is the time to go bullish. Not only am I excited about that, but notice yesterday it had a bearish candle. So anyone who sold there is anyone who sold to open yesterday is going to be buying to close today as they are losing money, getting squeezed out. Had a bullish candle 2 days ago, had a long lower wick yesterday indicating buying pressure coming in. I've got so many different signals saying that people, it's time to buy on VSLR, whether you're buying to close because you rode this thing down, whether you are buying to enter because you've been looking for the next time this thing's ready to pop bullish. Today's the day, right? Awesome. So then we come over here to the 5-minute chart, and I get my all-time favorite candle, which is a 5-minute reversal candle, right? We gapped up from the close of yesterday, and not only did we gap up, but we gapped up right at the very high of yesterday and sold off. So all of the weak bulls are selling to close, and there may be some short sellers that are saying, hey, I'm going to sell high and buy low, and they're selling to enter. So anyone selling to enter on this candle is likely going to be buying to close as it goes higher. Any weak bulls who sold to close here, right? Any of the bulls that got out as it goes higher, they might be getting a little bit remorseful and saying, hey, you know what, it is going higher. I'm going to buy to get back in. And there it goes. So I love this 5-minute reversal candle. In fact, you can go to YouTube and do a search for, go to YouTube and search for real life trading 5-minute reversal. You'll get a video of my all-time favorite setup. I'll put it in the comment section of the video for you to check out, but that is a video that I've done, exactly what happens here. And in fact, we go up to 2R, which is a popular place that we take profits. Again, 1R is your risk unit. So the purple line is twice the distance from there to there. And one reason is that if you are trading in the edge, if you're trading in the direction that the stock is moving, these pullbacks will be about half the distance of the run. So that's why we very frequently take all at 2R. If you want more videos like this, come over here to reallifetrading.com. Check them out. Thanks for watching this video. You guys rock. And as always, trade on logic, not on hope. Have a good one, everybody.